Guys, andito na naman tayo sa dump shop. Another build, another day. Let's go! Okay. This is one of another special projects. NP300 for the Pera Brothers once again. Andyan na naman sila. Sinagad na naman nila. Hindi ko ina-expect, pero all out. Once and again. And palagi na lang ganito. Ibang klase sila. They know what they want, and what they want is actually legit. So, let's start off. Take a good closer look at the car. From before, naka MCC bumper, just truck. Tapos for utility talaga nila yung car. And then they eventually decided na, sige, gusto na natin i-full blast overland. Pero sometimes kasi ang Pera Brothers nagkakarga pa rin ng mga stuff, mga pyesa, kasi they also do race rigs, mga racing ng off-road. So may mga pyesa pa rin sinakarga. So we did not compromise that. Kahit na truck sila noon, they wanted the canopy like that. Nag-install tayo ng canopy. So, okay, let's showcase first what we did with the body. Okay, the body from MCC, we converted it to the TJM na Outback Bull Bar para talagang full-on protection na for the gubat. Okay? After that, may winch naman sila. In-adapt na lang natin yung winch nila. And then, for the fog lights, we added that Seeker Gen 2. This is the Seeker Gen 2. May DRL to dito. Tapos sabi niya, paano yan? May huli yan kasi walang cover. So, we have covers. Pero, for now, since we're showcasing it, wala muna tayong covers kasi sobrang ganda niya nang wala. Okay? What else? Teka, ikot tayo dito. By the way, yung ilaw, nagpalit na rin tayo ng projector fogs. Okay? Nakiusap sila. Sige, palitan natin projector fog. Mas malakas ang buga niyan. Sobrang layo ng buga niyan. Okay, the high wattage, pero hindi siya nakakabulag kasi may cut-off ang projector. So as the fog lights, nilipat natin from their old MCC, nilipat natin dito. Projectors yan. So, they know what they want. Alam nila na projector dapat para may cut-off. Mas malayo yung buga. Okay. Look, nag-custom decals din tayo. TJM all the way. TJM side steps, TJM mud guards. Tapos, sa loob. Okay, sa loob, ayan. Pina-leather seats nila. Kasi syempre, pag magbabasa tayo, maganda naka-leather seats pa rin. Ayan. Maganda naka-leather seats tayo para anytime pwede mabasa. And we also added this aux beam switch. Ayan, buksan natin to. Ayan. Ano ba ito buksan? Ayan, we also added the aux beam switch. So dito, madali i-access. Kasi iba dito nilalagay aux beam. Diba? Dito nilalagay. So tayo nilagay natin dito. It powers a lot actually. Anyway. Ayan. So, start natin. Hindi, maingay eh. So, okay. What powers the aux beam switches? Ito. The TJM Narvas. Tapos, the TJM Seekers. Tapos, ito. May mga perimeter lights sila. Meron din sila nito. These are, what do you call this? Markers. These are, chase lights. Sorry. Nagbi-blink siya. Nag-ano siya. Okay, so, ito naman yung rear natin. Naka-TJM rear bumper. Diba? Tapos, let's go to the canopy. Itong canopy natin, it's I think this is an aluminum canopy. Okay? So, ayaw nila mag-glass dito kasi daw, sa trail daw. Yes. Sometimes yung glass, iwasan na lang natin na magka-casualty na glass dito. Tapos, up and down, alam mo baka mabasag kapag may ginagawa tayo sa camping. Okay. So, what did we do sa likod? Let's showcase the back. Okay. Ka-ching! Okay, so this is the back of their car. This is a cargo slide. So, one click, atras na yan. Again, fridge. Fridge natin, ito. Yan ang fridge natin. Okay. Fridge. Yan ang fridge natin. Madali siya i-access. Hindi na tayo nag-drawer system kasi nga, tataas na naman, and then gusto natin makakargahan pa rin siya. Okay. So, we wired this up properly. Another thing na kinabit natin dito would be a power system. Yung power system na expertise natin, which is the Atem Power. See? Okay. Dilim sa campsite. Ito lang yung ilaw ng truck natin. Yes, nakasabayan sa door switch. But, we have another light. Come here. Canopy lights. Ka-ching! These are the TJM 4-bar canopy lights. Hardwired ulit yan. All around the area. Naka-hardwire ulit yan. Tapos may dimmer switch din yan. At saka, color temperature. 1, 2, white. May warm din to eh. Yan, white, warm, and amber. Ayan. White, warm, and amber. Sorry, pasmado. This is also at 220 volt. Kapag i-on mo lang ito, makakapagsaksak na tayo ng 220 dito. Around 1,000 watts. 1,000 watts combined. So, it can power rice cooker, Starlinks, mga ganon. But I don't think magka-Starlink sila. So, nila off-grid sila. Joke lang. Ito, this is the Atem Power na battery monitor. See? It's 100%. It's using around 0.8 amps lang itong ilaw natin. 0.8 amps lang kinakain niya. When you see what's going on sa sa power system mo, dito mo siya makikita. Sa battery monitoring system, yung called the battery monitoring system. What else? Okay. Ay, meron akong special feature dito, pina-request nila. We have a table here. Nakaganon lang siya. And then, kabit lang natin dito. Meron na tayong drop table. May table na tayo dito, di ba? So, anytime pwede tayo magkape, mabilis lang, naka-quick release lang siya doon, di ba? So, babalik ko na siya, ligit na tayo. Bilis ko lang siya makakabit. Ayan lang siya. Ayan lang siya. Okay. Ano pa yung special natin dito? Again, yung compressor system natin, they wanted na air down, air up, mabilis. So, what we offered him is the same thing we did with the Ranger. Since yung Ranger natin nagpalit ng setup, nilipat lahat doon. We was able to use the mounting na, eto na siya. So, this is the HD compressor again, with a tank. Okay? So, eto, dito tayo ito airline kit niya. May airline kit tayo. Lalagay natin dyan later yung airline kit. Quick release to lahat. Pwede tayo mag-air ng mga gulong instantly. Okay? So, one click, may angin na tayo. Meron na tayong fridge. Kompleto na. Yet again, kompleto na. So, ayun, namatay ilaw dito. Tapos, pwede rin natin, ayan, na-dim ko pala siya. Kaya pala, yun. Kaya pala dumilim, na-dim ko siya. So, it's dimmable yung 12 volt natin na TJM bar light. Okay? Ayun. Pwede natin to. Ano yan?
Paano mapapower yan? Nasaan yung power niya?
Nang alin?
Yung battery.
Nasaan pala yung battery natin? Sorry, hindi ko rin siya nakita, nawawala yung battery. Okay, we were able to use the Atem Power Slim battery. Ayun siya sa loob, yung manipis na yun, nakasingit lang siya talaga doon. So we were able to use that space sa likod nitong cargo tray. Sobrang ganda nung slim profile niya. Okay, sobrang slim profile niya. It does not obstruct anything. Pero medyo malapad siya, so sakto siya talaga sa bed ng ganito. Tapos yung space doon for the cargo slide, natitirang space. Sabi ko, pucha, sakto. Nilagay namin siya doon. Okay, sobrang slim profile niya. The price is andun sa medyo higher end kasi nga, yung pagkamada mo sa kanya, where else can you find the battery na ganyan ka-compact, ka-slim? Sobrang space saving niya. Thank you for the tips. Nawala siya sa akin kasi hindi ko siya makita. Oo nga, sino nga nagpa-power nito? That's a 200 ampere hour lithium battery. Okay? Etong system na ito na mismo yung nagcha-charge dun sa battery. Ito na mismo yung may solar inputs na rin to. Andito lahat ng inputs natin, input, output. Basta, this is an Atem Power all-in-one system. I think this is priced around almost 50. Almost 50 plus the brackets and all that. Yun. Lagyan natin sa amber para medyo moody. Okay. What else? We added a crossbar on top of this canopy kasi itong canopy na to, pag kasama ang bibilin mo, walang anything na on top. So ito lang nakalagay dito. So parang may release lang siya na hindi mo mag-get. So we added a Roa Trip crossbar. These are OEM crossbars from Europe. So we're able to find one na sobrang bagay dito sa canopy natin. Tapos the awning, kanya na to. May awning room siya, so we didn't want to waste that. May rooftop tent dapat to, pero meron na pala siya doon. Kakabit na lang nila when they bring it to Bicol. What else? Yun, custom decal din to para mag-match sa body natin. Look how pleasant everything looks like from here. Is there anything that you want us to do better? Is there anything that we should be doing better? Please put it in the comments. Let us know. We wish nothing but to give our clients only the best, like this one. Medyo natagalan lang sa project na to kasi we were trying to think ano bang gagawin nila with the car. So, doon na konting discussion. After that, ayun na. Nabuo na natin siya. Okay? So, isang touch lang dito. Patay na siya. Okay. Lock. And we're good. Nagpalit din tayo fender flare. Ito yung dati niya fender flares. Bushwaka. Tawag nila dyan. Bushwaka. Then we changed to the eto, sobrang sexy na N-guard. Ito yung tawag nila dito, N-guard. May mga reflectors to. Yan mo, may mga reflectors to. Sobrang swabe niyan. Okay. Meron pa ba akong ginawa? Ayun, sobrang linis ng loob. Look, it's leather seats. Hindi na siya fabric na suede na mabilis mabasa. So, naiwan ko pala na kaon, madidiskarga na naman to. So, ayun. Ayun, may ilaw yung mga aux beam niya. May park light. Ikutan na ulit natin siya. Take one good look at our project. Side rails, hindi naman siguro magtutumbahan. So, let us know. You find our Navara sexy? Siyempre, sila pera lang yan. Okay? Kasi I'm always in Bicol. Dami nilang kalokohan sa Bicol na ginagawa. Recently, si Kong went to them and all out silang puro kalokohan with the off-road and all that stuff. Pero sayang, hindi ito nakaabot because this was here. Ginagawa natin siya. Okay? Ayan. Another build, another day. Thank you, Pero Brothers. I'm out.